Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time I'm going to revisit something that I did a long time ago. I think it was the first time I was doing a pouring. It was about 2 years ago. I think I started in July of 2017. So I think it's going to be interesting. And also, I don't know why, but not often did I make something, not something, but a painting with bright colors, very bright colors. So we're going to use yellow, white and green. I think it's going to do nice shade between all of them. I think it's going to be nice. I wanted also to tell you that don't forget, if you want to buy something on Amazon, go to the link I put in the description. So this way, even if you don't buy the link for the products I'm putting in my description, you can, even if you go through that link, it's going to give me a small amount of money from Amazon, but still it's going to be something for me, since as you know, living on YouTube, it's quite difficult. So guys, I hope you enjoy. You're going to see what happens. And again, if you have something to buy on Amazon, please go and click on the link in the description. Thanks, and let's go and see what happened, and we'll talk at the end about it. guys, I think it's really a success. I think we just prove once again that you don't have to use a lot of product to have a very nice finish. You can do nice work without using anything but water. I think again, because of the color we use, it gives the finish a little more life. It's brighter. I think it's nice, and we don't use quite often the color of green and yellow and white. I think we should use it more often, at least. So anyway, guys, I think it's nicer to do it that way. As you can see, there's a lot of cells. There's two reasons for it. One, as you know, when you put a lot of color one over the other, it creates some kind of bubble, some oxygen cells. So that's what's create everything, and all the different colors. I'm gonna have it, all the different colors mixed together, and this creates cells also. I did burn it just to get rid of some bubbles. It works fine, but as you saw, there's a lot of cells that are forming. That's nice, even if I would have rather not have some, but listen, it's nice anyway. And the thing is, when I was doing it at first, when I did only 2 spots on it, I had a phone call. I talked to the person about 20 minutes. So that's just to prove you one point, that when you leave it as is on the canvas for a long time, it's gonna work between them. The molecule of the different color of paint is different, but they're gonna work together. As long as you let it sit, something is gonna happen, and that's what happens. Because the last time I did the same technique, I didn't let it stand not even a minute, and there's almost no cells that appears. So I think it's nice. I think, again, just to prove you that you don't have to go overboard with products, you can do something nice. Depends on your taste. It's subjective, but I think we have a nice result. I hope you enjoyed it, and like I said before, guys, thanks for being here, and don't forget, if you want to buy something on Amazon, pass through the link I'm gonna put in the description. It would help me, and I would appreciate it. Again, guys, thanks for being here. I hope you're gonna come back, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys. Ciao.